and welcome all in this channel. So student, this is our third part of the multiple choice questions based on the animal cockroach. So let's start by the first MCQ of this video. So the first MCQ, phallic gland in cockroach. What is the function of phallic gland in case of cockroach? A. Secrete ootheca. B. Secrete outer covering of spermatophore. C. Store excretory products. And D. Secrete ecdysa. So the exact function or the correct function of the phallic gland in cockroach is to secrete outer covering of spermatophore. Next one, common salivary duct in cockroach opens at. So we know that in case of cockroach there is having a pair of salivary gland, and the salivary glands having the ducts which are called as salivary ducts, and both the ducts from the relative glands combine and forming a common salivary duct, and this common salivary duct opens where? A hypopharynx. So in the hypopharynx region this common salivary duct is open in case of cockroach. Number third, thorax of cockroach constitutes how many segments? A. 6, B. 3, C. 8 and D. 2. So the particular thorax region constitutes about 3 segments. This thorax region is the middle region, middle part of the body, consists of 3 segments particularly, which is called as prothorax, mesothorax and metathorax. Number 4, number of ovules in cockroach ovary. In case of female cockroach there is having ovules, and how many ovules is found in case of cockroach ovary? So their number should be 8. So there is having 8 ovules. So each ovary of cockroach consists of 8 elongated, tapering and beaded blind tubes called as ovarian tubules, all ovules. So each of these contains a linear series of ova in various stages of development. Each ovule consists of anterior region, which is also called as germarium, which contains immature ova in early stages of development, and posterior region of the same, vitellarium, containing maturing eggs. So there is having 8 ovules in case of female cockroach. Next one, number of paired spiracles in cockroach. So these spiracles are the apertures or openings which is found in case of cockroach respiratory system. So they are having 10 pair of spiracles in cockroach. So the tracheal trunks, that is the tracheal pipes or windpipes open on body surface through 10 pairs of segmentally arranged apertures called spiracles or stigmata. Two pairs of spiracles are thoracic, that is one between pro and mesothorax, and other pair between meso and metathorax. So out of 10 pairs of spiracles, 2 pairs are found in thoracic part of the body, and remaining 8 pairs of spiracles are abdominal, 1 pair in each of first 8 abdominal segments. Number 6, the oxygen carrying pigment in the blood of cockroach is A. Hemocyanin, B. Hemoglobin, C. Xanthophyll, and D. None one. That is, in case of cockroach, there were no such type of respiratory pigment is found. So there is no respiratory pigment. Number 7, largest abdominal ganglion in cockroach. A. 4th, B. 5th, C. 6th, and D. 7th. So the 6th ganglion is the largest ganglion in cockroach nervous system. And 8th, heart of cockroach made by dash dash chambers. A. 14, B. 13, C. 12, and D. 10. So in case of heart, in case of cockroach, heart is made by 13 chambers. So the correct option should be B. 13. So these are again some important questions based on the cockroach MCQs. So if you like these videos, share it with friends, and thank you once again for watching this video.